Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. State of New York is getting about 20 to 30 plus centimeters of snow on Saturday, December the 14th, 2013. It's going to bring a lot of snow in the upstate of New York, especially around Buffalo and all those places in New York as well. State of New York is getting a lot of snow. It's going to be a blowing and drifting snow in the state of New York. And Albany, New York is getting 20 to 30 plus centimeters of snow as well, because of Lake Ontario's very warm. That could even bring a lot more snow, especially in northern state of New York as well. And they got a low pressure system heading for the state of New York on Saturday, December the 14th, 2013. That's going to bring a lot of snow in the state of New York. People in the state of New York, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready, because it's going to be a lot of snow. And do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. When you're driving the car, slow down. Take your time, drive the car, so you don't get in a car accident during the snowstorm in the state of New York. Especially snow mixing with rain in New York City as well. A lot of snow is heading for the state of New York on Saturday. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your 3G and 4G internet ready. Have your crank-up radio ready. Have your flashlights ready. Have your candles ready. Have your battery-operated lantern ready. Just in case the power goes out, because it's going to be a lot of snow in the state of New York. Have your shovels ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow blowers ready. Have your snow plows ready. Have your salt trucks ready. When you're driving down the highways, especially on the interstate highways, take your time, drive the car, slow down so you don't get in a car accident. Visibilities will be reduced during the snowstorm in the state of New York on Saturday, December the 14th, 2013 for the state of New York. Especially in Buffalo, New York, and Albany, New York as well. The snow will mix in with rain in New York City. It's going to be a lot of snow and blowing and drifting snow in the state of New York on Saturday, December the 14th, 2013. Best of luck to you. People in New York, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Saturday, December the 14th, 2013. Take care and stay safe. And don't get caught in the snow. Be safe.